afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So today is October 1st, 2021. It's Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. I am so happy to be here. I started off the day really late compared to like everybody. I know a lot of people was here since like 6 o'clock in the morning, and most people are at Magic Kingdom, but I couldn't get a park pass for Magic Kingdom, so I'm starting my day here off in Epcot. It's currently like 1 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and speaking of that, that's when they started doing boarding passes for Ratatouille. Even though I rode it twice for the pass holder previews, I just end up getting another boarding pass since I'm here. So this is pretty cool. It's kind of like the Rise of Resistance boarding group when they used to have it. I know now it's just a standard line, but it's the same kind of system, so it was really easy for me to get one. So since I'm here early, I'm gonna walk around and see what I get into, and then try to park hop into Magic Kingdom, meet up with some friends. So come along with me as we celebrate this magical moment of the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. About to enter into the creation shop, and the line stretches all the way back over here to like where the popcorn stand is. Luckily we're now in the shade, because back there we were like staying in the sun, and they're only limited a certain amount of people at a time to get in. So this is a look at the 50th anniversary collection here at the creation shop. They have the animal pass holder t-shirt for $30.99, a spirit jersey $8.99, adult jacket $9.99, adult t-shirt for $44.99, and a whole bunch of all the cool stuff. I can't wait. Thank you for Caitlin. Oh, I like your name tag, the iridescence. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to go into the creation shop and see. So the first thing I noticed is the t-shirts. They have the 1971 to 2021, the 50th anniversary tees for $44.99, and then they also have the jackets. This is pretty cool. Look, I like that logo. Those are for $99.99. Wow. Wow, this is so awesome. They have pass holders for $39.99, and then they have the bucket hats. These are pretty cool looking. Whoa. Oh, I like how at the top it has a castle on October 1st, 2021. If you're wondering like how the spirit jersey looks like, this is what it looks like on the front, and this is what it looks like on the back. And this spirit jersey is for Ariel, $89.99. Oh, this is so cool. They have the limited release pins, and these are for $17.99. So there was two different ones. I didn't realize it till I looked on the top shelf. I thought they were all the same, but this is what they look like. And like I said, they are both $17.99. It looks pretty cool. Alright, now I'm about to go take the monorail and park hop from Epcot to Magic Kingdom. We got the green one. Alright guys, just made it to the Magic Kingdom. I was gonna see if we can park hop into the park right now. It's 2:13. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? And finger down.
Thank you. Yay, I got in. This is so exciting. This is so cool. When I got into Magic Kingdom, they gave me this commemorative guide mat. It's nice. So the first cavalcade at Magic Kingdom that I'm seeing, the Magic Kingdom cavalcade, the first person I see is Gaston.
So great to see you again.
There's Peter Pan and Moana. There's Aladdin. So I'm now in the confectionery. I haven't been here since, you know, they reopened, and I like how spacious this place is, and it smells so good in here. Look at all these snacks and treats. Oh my gosh. Wow, a lot of candy. Oh, they even have like a popcorn station over here. So you can pick what popcorn you want. So like your syrup, combine it with candies. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is so cool. So like 2 toppings is $12.99, 3 toppings is $13.99. Every additional topping is $1. But man, oh man, I cannot wait. Smells so good in here, guys. Oh my gosh, look at all these toppings you can choose from. So they got M&M's, Skittles, pretzels, Oreos. Wow. This is so cool.
Oh, when does this happen?
Oh man. All right, so Alex got the what popcorn was it? Caramel popcorn.
Yep.
With the white chocolate drizzle. And
Twix.
what toppings did you get?
Twix bar, M&M's.
Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so good. He's like the foodie expert of Disney.
Oh. Oh.
That's a good combo. It all mixes well together. So this is cool. So right next to the purple wall, they have one of the gold statues, which is Stitch for the 50th anniversary. I was like, wow, finally got to see them. I haven't seen any of the gold statues since they put them on. All right, guys, we're about to go on the People Move right now. It was only maybe like a 10-minute wait, and it's a nice, cool way to hang out in the park. I'm really shocked that most of the attractions here are very low wait times. Being a Friday and it's being the 50th anniversary, I'm like, wow. So you get to do like a lot of your favorite rides with very little wait. So it's a great day. I'm glad we're getting a little breeze while we're on this. So now we're passing by the Speedway Ride. And then we're gonna also see a little bit of the Tron construction, which I can't wait. I have no idea when that's gonna open, but I'm very excited for it because I love roller coasters. Here? I don't know. But we're getting a little bit closer now. That looks so cool. Look, you can see part of the castle on the right hand side. And there's Space Mountain. It just feels weird not seeing a queue stretched all the way outside like by Joffrey's or something. I'm used to it being a really, really long wait. That's awesome. Like everybody just walking right. This is only a 20-minute wait. When do you ever see Space Mountain on a Friday afternoon? Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is a better view. Oh my gosh.
Sheer fun. Yeah, very good. Very good. Let's go. I'm watching you.
So the next ride we are gonna do is the Buzz Lightyear. Like I said, all the attractions are short, so it was only a 15-minute wait. We're gonna say, hey Buzz, hi, nice to see you guys. Hopefully I get a better score than I did last time I was on it. Man, oh man, oh no, here we go. Oh, oh no, and Jeremy's beating me. He has almost 100,000 points. I suck at this game.
I usually suck.
Okay, next ride we're gonna do is Space Mountains. Only a 10-minute wait. We literally walked right up to the front on Space Mountain. This is so freaking awesome. Jeremy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. This never happened.
Hey, you win a Universal mascot Disney.
I lost my other one, but I gotta represent.
Hey, there we go. Woo. We're about to get launched in like a minute. They're just checking our seatbelts right now. Ah, here we go, guys! Hey, hey, left hand side! bumps and drops, but it was so much fun.
Happy birthday, Walt Disney World!
Alright guys, we just got out of Space Mountain. It was fun. But my friend Alex had lost his glasses on Space Mountain. How do you feel about that? I wish I could have caught that on camera. That's funny.
How do I feel? Like I'm blind the rest of the freaking day.
And inspiration and new knowledge to all who come to this happy place. On behalf of all of our cast, thank you for 50 years of magic. And now let's make some new memories. The magic is calling.
The Haunted Mansion. It says it's about a 40 minutes, but this looks a little bit shorter than 40 minutes. I would expect the line to be all the way back there by the boat ride. Oh, hey Justin! Oh, look, you're all gold, all gold, everything. Hey!
What's up, man? How you doing? Likewise. What's up?
But yeah, just bumped into my friend Justin. As you guys see, we saw him at Halloween Horror Nights on Sunday. You know, we just bumped into him randomly here at Magic Kingdom. Yeah, we didn't plan this. It just happened.
To go out in the rain? Too bad that it was a class 5.
What do those symbols mean? What does this all mean? Oh.
Or is it your imagination?
And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge.
To find a way out.
Of course, there's always my way.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourines.
Okay, we just got out of the Haunted Mansion. I loved it. It was not a long wait. And now it's starting to pick up and get very crowded. Like when I first came in here, it wasn't that bad. But yeah, we're walking through Adventureland right now. And
It's a pro tip we're following, a pro tip.
Yes, so this is a Disney trick. So if you bring your water bottle and you want to fill it up, we're gonna show you a Disney hack, like a spot where you can go fill up your bottled water with some cold water.
And it's been around since I was a cast member in 92, 93.
Fun fact, guys. Right next to the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, these are the water fountains you guys gotta come up. Wait, this one, my bad. Just the one on the left-hand corner.
My pinky is indeed cold. Oh yeah.
You can tell it's cold because the bottle, you can see the...
Oh yeah, that's some cold water.
You can feel it. It's cold. Yeah, it's freezing. Because usually it's hot water when you go to any of the other fountains. You can tell, you can see it.
And for the record, the reason why I'm drinking tap water is number one, I'm from Florida. I'll drink it out of a hose if they had one. And number two, I'll drink anything besides Dasani. No, you can't.
What's wrong with Dasani?
I mean, if I'm gonna drink something that makes me more thirsty, give me a Coca-Cola. But yeah, I mean, Florida tap water at its best.
That's the Florida life for you. So we're about to go on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, and it is a 15-minute wait, guys. We are knocking out these rides like... Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. All right, we got a mask up when we're indoors, so there we go. But yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. And I like being in here because it's an indoor ride in the AC because it's pretty hot and humid. I had to refill my water. Cameras on the left, guys.
Davy Joe is seeking new recruits just saying.
They changed the pumpkins now, so instead of the Mickey pumpkins for the Halloween, they have these Cinderella pumpkins. What do you guys think about it? I think it's nice. There goes the monorail as we're leaving.
Look at the gold, look at the gold.
Where is it? Oh, look at the 50th anniversary on this monorail is coming up. It's so pretty. Look at that, guys. Wow. And as I was exiting the park, they gave us a little goodie bag. So inside this bag, I gotta show you what they gave us, which is a really cool poster, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Whoa. If you guys are at guest services and you show your ID and your pass holder pass, they give you this cute Mickey 50th pass holder pass, and you get still keep your old one if you like to, or you could just trade it. It's pretty cool. We got a lot of goodies today. So with the poster, we got the map, the card. I feel so spoiled today, guys. We just left Magic Kingdom and then now back at Epcot, and we're gonna go eat because I'm with my foodie expert, Alex. He knows all the good food spots around Walt Disney World, whether it be the resorts, whether it be the parks, like the resorts, everything. So we're gonna go get some food because we've been here, well, they have been here longer than I have.
9 a.m. baby.
Yeah.
7 a.m. over here.
Yeah, Maverick's been here since 7 a.m. Alex been here at 9, but I got here at 1.
And no coffee. Every line
I know.
is busy.
Isn't that like a surprise? Usually we always have to get our Joffrey's fixed. And we've been here all day for hours and haven't got one cup of coffee yet. So we're gonna go have to get our cup of coffee eventually before the end of this day. But first we're gonna get food because we're starving. And then you guys know me. Every time I don't eat, I turn hangry. So we're gonna get something.
Angry little Asian.
Hey guys, finally made it to Joffrey's. Haven't had my coffee fix all day that I've been here. So I'm gonna get the Coco cold brew. It comes with Kona mocha topped with whipped cream and drizzled with chocolate for $6.39. We're at the Joffrey's right next to Stress Track. And yes, I have to get my caffeinated beverage right now. Okay guys, so I had got the Coco cold brew. And this is what it looks like. It looks so delicious, like a frappuccino, and has whipped cream. And I think these are like chocolate waffle sticks. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Oh yeah, so refreshing. Alex has to steal some of mine. It's good, right? I like it.
Good cocoa flavor.
And then he always gets to get his double espresso. That's the Cubano for you.
Always.
So we decided to get food at the China Pavilion, and I think this place is called the Lotus Blossom. So they can choose between orange chicken, Mongolian Beef, chicken fried rice combo. They're all $14.50 each. Also, they have beer wine and desserts, and it's real fast. And they have a lot of seating in this area over here too. Okay, so I decided to get the Mongolian beef with white rice, broccoli, and an egg roll. You can even switch out if you like, say you don't want broccoli or something, you can ask for extra white rice. Alex had got the, what did you get?
The chicken fried rice.
The chicken fried rice with egg roll and broccoli, and then Maverick had got the orange chicken and 2 scoops of white rice because he doesn't like the broccoli. So let's dig in, I'm starving. Oh man, it smells so good.
You just got.
Oh, this egg roll is hot. But
She gave me water. It just didn't last long.
so just finished having dinner at the China Pavilion at the quick service section. It was really good. It was very filling. The Mongolian beef I had was a little spicy, so if you don't really like spicy food, I wouldn't recommend getting that one. But overall, it was delicious. Now I'm stuffed and gonna get ready to see the new Harmonious fireworks tonight. I can't wait. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So we're about to go right under Spaceship Earth right now. I wish the lights will be moving while I'm walking so I can show you how it transforms. But whoa, this is so pretty. I love what they did to it. This is amazing. As we were walking under Spaceship Earth, look at this, right above me, guys. Look at that. I like the lighting of that. So cool. Oh my gosh. OMG. Words cannot explain what this looks like. So capturing the monorail. Look at the lights in the bottom, the green lights going by. Woo. And there you see the fountain. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness.
I have to thing the metal and you lock them so you can't.
We gather together as our sparks ignite the glistening stardust, creating a beacon that shines out in celebration of 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
So happy right now because you're letting nobody see you. You better act like you're interested.
Wow, that is cool.
voice, and it's enough to lift the human spirit. Set the song inside you soaring, and the whole wide world will hear it.
Guys, time to leave Epcot. It was so fun, even though I did start the day out kind of late-ish. I was on Jamaican time and I don't really like waking up that early, but hey, I made it and I got to do 2 parks, so it was a successful day here at Disney. Alright guys, that's gonna end my day here at Walt Disney World for the 50th anniversary. It's been a super long day, but so worth it and so much fun. So of course I started off here in Epcot. I know I told you guys earlier I got like a boarding pass for Remy's, but I end up not doing it because like I ended up meeting some friends at Magic Kingdom, so I took the monorail park hop over there, did a whole bunch of rides, I think about 4 rides total, and didn't wait that long, and had what else did we do? Oh, went shopping inside the Emporium, took some cool photos with Photo Pass. Oh, another cool thing speaking of Photo Pass is that for today, even people that don't have Photo Pass included, they were giving everybody free Photo Pass just for today, for October 1st. So that was a pretty cool perk today. And then came back to Epcot because we had dinner here in the China Pavilion, got coffee at Joffrey's, and that Harmonious show here at Epcot was so amazing. It blew my mind. Like one moment during the show I had shivers, and then like I started to get a little bit emotional and like almost kind of teary-eyed because it was so good. It blew my mind. It was like amazing. Like I liked it a lot better than when they had Illuminations. It's a must-see show here when you're at Epcot. And I want to show you guys a couple of the things that I got today for the merch. So hold on. So like I was saying earlier guys, I had got the poster when everybody was leaving Magic Kingdom. They were handing this out. This was really cool. It's kind of bent and crushed because it was in my book bag. I didn't want to lose it. And then of course the new pass holder pass, the commemorative guide map, and I got the 50th anniversary Crocs, and I had to get the pass holder t-shirt. This was so dope. So yeah guys, and I love my leggings that I wore today for Epcot, like I was matching. So I really had a wonderful time here. I hope you guys enjoyed these adventures with me. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.